So in terms of interactivity, there's a lot of things that can be done in InDesign. We could spend tens of hours on it, but we'll just see a little bit of it, how it works. We don't have much time, so we'll see maybe 3 kinds of interactions. Not all today. Not all of those 3 kinds today, but let's start with the map, with the interactive map. It will be quite simple, not really looking good, but that's not a problem as long as you understand how to program your buttons. Okay, let's go into the layer panel and we'll lock it, and all of the other things will be done on another layer, which I create here, layer 2. So on layer 2, let's start by making a circle. So you choose the ellipse tool, and with the ellipse tool, you will create a circle by holding down the shift key, release the button of the mouse, then release the shift key, and you have a perfect circle. Then we'll put background color and stroke color. So let's start with the background color. Use the swatches panel. Go into window swatches if you don't find it. And okay, let's make it like that. And the stroke. Okay. The weight of the stroke with the stroke panel, window stroke. Okay. Let's put the stroke inside of the circle. Okay, maybe that's not the right color to choose. Okay. It's much clearer here that the stroke goes outside, inside, or just in the middle. Okay, that's not really important. But usually it's better to put the stroke inside of the shapes. With the stroke panel, save the document